Hi treasures, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Thanks for stopping by. In this video we are making onion powder. We're going to be making onions powder, and here I have cut some onions. So I'll start by peeling the onions first. We're going to peel off the skin of the onions. So I'm done peeling it. That one is bringing out juice. I'm done peeling the onions. So the next thing I'll do now is to slice them. I'll cover them and carry out to the sun. Here I have my sun-dried onions. Well dried. And here is the oven dried. Here's the oven dried. Wow, I like this oven dried. The thing smells so good and the taste is so nice. I've been chewing it like this, so got some of it like this. That's my dry onions. My dry onions. Now grind the remaining. So here is our dried one. I did not blend this one. I left this one like this for maybe garnishing food, something like that. Recipe that calls for dried onion garnishing. And then this is our sun-dried onion powder. Sun-dried onion powder. And this is our oven-dried onion powder. also cover it to use anytime we want. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until I see you again in my next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye bye.